Hello everyone, this is Mayuri here and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is my second vlog जब हम चर्च गेट गए थे and this place called Kitab Khana. This was my first time visiting Kitab Khana and my god, this is such a lovely place. First of all, I want to thank the staff and the manager who gave me the permission to record the video because यहाँ पे it's strictly no, you cannot record a video and you cannot take pictures. So I asked for their permission and they were kind enough to let me shoot without anyone knowing. So yeah, so this is the first floor of the Kitab Khana. The architecture of Kitab Khana is such ancient and it has an ancient look to it, but it is so modern with all the classic books that are there. So I was exploring the first floor. The first floor kind of has a mix of both a classic novels you will find there of Charles Dickens, and you will also find there some historic novels of other languages like Hindi, Marathi. Those options are also there. So if you are a classic lover, if you like to read classic novels, those have that rustic feel to them, then this is the place that you must visit. So this is me looking out and taking video from the first floor. You can see how neatly everything is organized. This is Soumya there walking with her Harry Potter book. She is a big fan of Harry Potter. So if any one of you is a big fan of Harry Potter, you can comment down below and then we can have a chit chat about all the Harry Potter things. Okay, so and the staircase is also so amazing. I mean, everything here, the furniture, the books, they add to the experience of sitting here for 2 to 3 hours and getting involved into this books and getting lost into this book world. So yeah, and you also will find a lot of books lying around on the shelves like this on the table, and I don't know, but I think they are kind of the second hand books which are there. I'm not really sure. I wanted to ask this point to the manager there, but we were in such a hurry, and yeah, because that day we were exploring Churchgate and we wanted to go to Flora Fountain, we wanted to go to Book Street, we wanted to go to Fashion Street, so we were just ramping everything up in that one visit. So here I'm trying to show you all the books that I saw there and they were interesting to me. This is the next book that I see. You can see here is how to photoshop, like take photos of everything. So we were taking a lot of portraits at that time, and so I tried to look up for the people in action, and you will not, it's obvious what they are suggesting is to take a picture in the sunlight. It kind of makes you glow. You have that lighting, explore the lighting, you can see. So on a sunny day, we went on a sunny day. It was a very beautiful day when we went to Churchgate. Yeah, so then afterwards, if you see in Kitab Khana, there is all these sections are there. You have a kids section, then you have all the books are properly organized. So shout out to the staff there. They have done a wonderful job of sorting all the books, and each of them is aware of which book is where, which book is not available. So this is the kids section. You have little small pillows there, you can sit on that and the kids can there were actually two to three kids at that time when I was taking a vlog. So that is one of the main reason why I have muted the vlog. Because the children's, even though the library is a very quiet and a calm place, you know how children can be, they keep on shouting and running from here and there. So yeah, and the next section you can see is the again a children's section, but a little like a teen section you can call it, as the ones who read a little bit. So this is one of the book, that is Anne with an Ease. If you have seen Anne of Green Gables, then there's a popular series as well, and there is a very very famous book of Anne of Green Gables for children. So I was reading that, and yeah, so the kids section is there. Then you have fiction, then you have historic section, you have tourism section, you have other books such as management books are also there. Yeah, they are also there. Yeah, management books are also there, and all such books are there in proper order. So the next part, you can see there's a table around here where you have national geographic images, geography book, history book, even autobiographies. Even one of the book that I read, I remember, I'll show you later in the video as well. So yeah, here you have lots of tips and tricks of a healthy life, what you have to do. You have recipe books as well. I don't know, I've never read one and I've never tried to follow one because of YouTube. Obviously you have a lot of things on YouTube, but I want to give it a try once, to follow a book, a recipe from a book. And yeah, then you can see all this amazing. I actually, the video is facing downwards because of the reason that I do not want to show other people's faces, that is kind of the main reason why the video is facing downwards a little. And apart from that, now I'm trying to search for all the books that I have read and all the books that I could find here. That you can see those statues, they are just like so historic in a way. I don't know, they give me that ancient vibe. So this is the one book, Elon Musk, I found that. I actually have to read this one. I have not read it though. Yeah, that is one of the book that I have to read. Then afterwards, if you go around and check, then there are a lot of books are here which I have actually read, and I came across them and they were like my favorite kind of a book. And yes, there was only one book. This is Jeffrey Archer's collection, Cain and Abel. This Soumya has read this, Cain and Abel. She is a big fan of Jeffrey and Archer, and that was a very huge book. Then The Alchemist, I've read that as well, and it's really good. You should give it a try. And the most amazing part of the of buying books from Amazon, e-paper book from Amazon and buying from here is the feel of the books that you will receive. For example, if you're buying a Harry Potter cassette, then the books are the covers are so mesmerizing. My goodness, I mean, you will get the experience. It's like if you are treating yourself in Taj and if you're ordering from a Zomato, the kind of difference that you experience into that's the same difference in books you will experience here if you are buying a proper book from here instead of buying a book from Amazon. So like I was talking about, so this is the Shakespeare, Great Comedies of Shakespeare. The cover of this book is so amazing. Then this Anne Frank book is also very amazing, you could see. And see, Soumya is in love with Harry Potter book. As you can see, I'm reading my most favorite book, that is The Kite Runner. Then Soumya is trying to show us all the amazing covers of the books which we found there. Then I asked for the travel books that are available there, and guess what? They have only 2 travel books available. One is of my favorite city, Istanbul, and second one is Soumya's favorite or top number 1 destination, Amsterdam, because of Anne Frank. And then afterwards we found this amazing book called 100 Greatest Speeches in the World, and my god, there was such an amazing history there that we didn't know. It was like Bill Clinton, he apologized to the whole America for having an affair with his secretary, and he said in that speech that I'm profoundly sorry. So you guys must read that speech. It's in the link in the description below. That is it for this vlog, and kindly subscribe and press on the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.